Let's get straight to it. 2010 Dodge Charger. This is the 5.7 liter engine. So today I'll be changing the license plate light bulb. It goes right here. So these are Phillips screws. I'm removing them. This one here removed easily. This next one, it was stripped, so I had to use pliers that you can see right here. All right, so once you get the screws out, you can just push this up and turn it to remove it. Just go ahead and pull that out. Now, to get this off of here, you just have to twist this counterclockwise until you hear it click like that. Now you can pull this bulb right out and get a new bulb and pop your new bulb directly in the same way the old bulb came out. Grab your light fixture, set it on there, and turn it clockwise to get it to click back in. Push it back in there, turn it sideways and push it up the same way it came out. Now, it's a little tricky getting this to stay still while you put the screws in, but you can definitely get it done. So put the screws in. I'm just using the screwdriver to get them back in here. And once you get that last screw in, that's pretty much it. That's how you change the bulb.